Today's a cold and rainy day.
Some people might get depressed. So how can we stay positive even during bad weather?
Weather is a cycle, and that is okay because you wouldn't notice the good days if you didn't have the bad days.
It also changes the scenery. The grass is gonna look greener tomorrow. You also get to change your style. I didn't think it would work. Honestly, just protect your feet. No one likes wet socks.
And last but not least, the most magical thing to do in a cold and rainy day is watching a movie with a hot beverage. How to stay positive in a cold and rainy day.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. It really helps me out. I'm in China at the moment, close to Shanghai, so if you have any ideas for videos, let me know in the comments. And if I like your idea, I might just make it and give you a shout out.